Be the best duo. Let me take off my clothes.
Yo, bro, whenever I'm trying to sell stuff, it won't sell.
It's a glitch, I think. Let me try. Alright, let me try to sell something.
Oh, god dang it. Sewing machine is broken.
Nothing will sell.
Can care.
Nothing will sell.
Stop
Yo,
it. Yeah, nothing will sell for it.
stupid.
Now try.
Where's my camera? Dang, it's under the bonnet.
Nothing will work.
Yeah, no.
Why won't it work?
Stop.
Let's go to lobby.
Hold on.
Hey, Green, you're forgetting your ore.
Wait, hang on. Wait. Hang on. I know the problem. I know how to fix it. Guys, I know how to fix it.
Alright,
Drop everything in there real quick.
Uh.
Alright, let me fix it. Alright, make sure. Is everything in here? Yeah. Thanks, bro. Thanks.
Bro, nothing, barely anything in here
What?
is worth anything, bro.
Let's go.
What do you
Why
expect?
would you take it, bro?
I don't know.
We're
The
broke.
machine don't even work. It works so tiny. Why is the button so tiny too?
Because you have to figure it out. I'm not helping you. Hello?
Look over here at the buttons. Look at the buttons.
What, did I hit you? Wait, we're
No,
indestructible too.
No green, no red.
Bro, how
Like,
are we supposed
I'm
to
going
make
to a different
money?
lobby. Hey, can I friend Green? I like Green's fit. I want to friend Green.
Me?
What did I?
Alright.
What
Hold
fit?
on.
Why do we have tiny fits too? When I was in mines, I just realized that. Why are we so tiny?
What
Hold on.
fit does green have?
Okay, never
The
mind.
color. You people
I
would
collected
understand.
like
I'm
Yo,
that
there's glitch.
sounded
That thing's
racist.
glitch. I can't even add people.
I did not mean to do that.
wait, this server's
The thing's glitched.
Goodbye.
Yeah, bye bye
Everybody
guys.
run the code. Box
Actually, yeah, I can.
What
I
green
can.
is that?
I'm a YouTuber.
Well, what's your number?
Guys, everyone like my videos. I'm a YouTuber.
Hey, buddy, what's your color numbers?
Yeah, that's what I'm about to show you.
Bro, I'm going to a different server.
Alright, the blue is 0. Blue is 0.
Mhm.
And green is 255.
Okay.
And red is 171.
171. Okay.
Yeah.
Boom.
This server's glitched.
Yo, I got it now. Hold on.
Wait, what's the red color number?
171. That's what he said.
Okay, I got 108, 171.
Bro, for some reason I cannot change my color. It's glitched. I pressed, I held it down, and now it's just saying confirming spawn.
Literally, bro. Like, what?
Yeah, like
Why are you so
what?
close? Why are you so close?
Like,
what? Like, what? Is that a floating cup? Yo,
No,
he's got the
that's it.
camera mod.
That's
Get him.
just the camera. That's the camera for like people who make videos on Animal Company.
Where's the camera mod?
I saw you having the camera
I
mod,
saw it.
buddy.
It's right there. I see it.
Come on! Oh. It's right here.
Hey, get back here. We're like
Get
cats
back here,
chasing.
camera. Camera, where'd you go, camera?
Oh, it's up there. I see it. I see it. Yeah, he has it. I see the camera. Go. Get the camera. Get the camera.
Chase
Now,
the
bro,
camera.
you ain't getting grabbed.
Oh, we can't chase the camera anymore. I have a solution.
The camera.
I'm chasing the camera! I see the camera!
This is my camera.
Oh, green camera. Oh, I can't. My pet duck Adam's first swim. This is my pet duck Adam's first swim. Adam, no! This is my pet duck Adam's first swim.
I can't grab it.
Me neither.
Why can't you
How
grab
hard I try, I can't grab it. I think
I've
the
seen people
person
on
who
TikTok.
gets it can only. Why haven't
Just
they
the
came
fun.
out with these for everyone?
Because you
I
need the
know,
Animal
like,
Company map.
only
You need
during
the Animal Company app.
Yeah, it's called Animal Company Compilation.
Herb?
Yeah, I have it too.
I don't know why.
I'm a full-time content creator.
Full-time content creator.
I post
can't do
every
content
day.
Creator anymore.
What is the
You know
turtle
what? For
except
the
you
view
for
of the
some
video,
reason?
anybody can grab it. Somebody grab
It's mine.
I want to.
Okay.
We can't
it.
grab
Can you
it.
guys not grab it?
No.
You're the owner. You can only allow people to grab it.
Yeah, I know. That's literally what I just did.
I can't. We can't grab it. None of us can. Neither of us can.
Maybe we have to have the app.
I'm literally. I'm.
Tag, you're it.
I can make this into some tag. I can make this into some tag.
Alright. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Come here.
Tag, you're it.
He's tagged. You're tagged. No. Stop. I don't want to be tagged. Wait, why are you not stinky?
I don't know.
Try to tag me.
Watch this. Watch this. Watch this.
Wait, we could try again. No. Still not.